Baby, I got this box so long ago, and I told myself, I was like, girl, do this little video because you got the box a long time ago. But I saw some pictures of it, and I kind of felt discouraged because I was like, who finna fit that? So I decided to not open the box, and it's been sitting at the door for a little minute, so here we go. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. If you are a new visitor here, hi, my name is Shea. Thanks for stopping by. If you're a returning visitor, what's poppin'? Thanks for coming by again. I'm glad to have you back. So this video is going to be about the Ivy Store box, and I think this is the June box, maybe? But first things first, they changed the packaging. So this is what the box looks like now on the outside. So at first it was just the USPS box, but now they've gotten their boxes. It says pretty male on it. I thought that was cute. So the Ivy box still looks the same. I've gotten so many of these, y'all, and I'm sorry. I just wasn't feeling like myself necessarily, so I couldn't really do this. So I really just I couldn't do any videos. But we're back. The box itself looks, I don't even know. It's been so long since I looked at the Ivy box. I really don't even remember what they look like. I know it's pink, but I'm not sure if they had the tea roses on the side, stuff like that. So this was what's happening in July. So I guess it's happening on Friday. I'm glad to see this now. So if you're a member of AKA or you know a member of AKA, they have the Christmas in July Ivy box vault sale coming up on July 31st. Yeah, it says subscribers will get 25% off with the code subscribers, so we'll see about that. And here's also a standing together. The Ivy Storehouse and its audience donate $50,000 towards the pursuit of justice. And then it also has, oh, this is what's in the box. Okay, so this is the self-care theme for June, and it says welcome to your Ivy box. The theme is self-care. Again, it's what's in the box: in Alpha Kappa Alpha pajama set, an Alpha Kappa Alpha lifetime collection nail polish set. I read that so backwards. And a pink and green crystal necklace. So the card says it was a rough spring filled with illness, financial challenges, uncertainty, and injustice. Some days it felt like the attacks were coming from every direction, but it's a new month and you're still standing. You will continue standing as you focus on your self-care and lean on the promises of God, a word. With so much happening in the world right now, self-care might not be at the top of your list, but the challenges of today are exactly why you need to slow down and focus on your physical and mental health. That's why I've been going for a little minute, y'all. Self-care is about so much more than a bubble bath or pedicure. It's about taking care of your heart and spirit. It's about letting your mind rest and recharging your energy. It's about refilling your bowl so you can continue pouring into the people you love. Self-care is about, why did I say it like that? Self-care is also about gratitude. Take some time to reflect on all the good in your life. From the small things like the sound of a child's laughter to the seemingly impossible goals that God allowed you to meet and even exceed. They say that gratitude and sadness can't occupy the same space. If that's true and you set your focus on the multiple blessings in your life, then you are truly too blessed to stress. Rest is an essential part of self-care. Rest in style with your new Alpha Kappa Alpha pajama set. You can also give yourself some much needed pampering with your Alpha Kappa Alpha lifetime collection nail polish set. And when you've recharged and ready to go out into the world, adorn your pampered self with your beautiful new pink and green crystal necklace. First thing I grabbed out of the box is this nail polish set. So as you can see, they have a pink, a green, a white, a silver, and a gold. The silver and the gold kind of play off of our silver swords and our golden swords, our primary colors, and our accent color. So the pink is of course called salmon pink, the green is apple green, the white is called 20 pearls, the silver is of course called the silver star for our silver swords again, and then the gold is for our golden swords. All right, so the next thing, and this is pretty heavy, it's a pink and green necklace. This is cute. I'm not necessarily one for the statement pieces as of now, but I can see myself either using this or maybe regifting this. It's cute, but it's kind of heavy, but it's really cute. Yeah, so it's definitely cute. It's nice. But I'm not necessarily a statement necklace type of person. Like, as you can see, My necklaces are really normally kind of small, but I mean, who knows? We are embracing a new normal, so I might be, statement necklaces like this might be a part of my new normal. So the last thing is this pajama set. And so I'm gonna tell y'all why I was kind of apprehensive about making this video. So I saw some pictures, and well, not even pictures, I saw the picture of it and I was like, oh, this is so cute. And then I saw commentary about, you know, the sizing of it. They were saying that they needed help getting in it and getting out, and I'm like, it's too small. So I guess that was the whole thing. Like in the leg area, it was good up in here. You know, your top sizes and your bottom size is not always the same size. So I think that was a lot of people's problems. And even though I don't have the biggest, you know, derriere, I don't have the biggest rump, I feel like I'm a little thicker, a little bigger, you know, once you get a little to the bottom. So I'm scared. Let's see. And it's so cute. How you use it? Okay. So yeah, like it's super duper cute. It's just a one romper. So it was stretched though. Got a little stretch to it, but I don't know, bro. I'm scared. I feel like if I can get it up on my legs, I'll be fine. Let's see. I got bottoms on. Nope, I ain't even gonna try it. Yeah, so definitely like this Ivy box. I saw something that Sora did, and she like made it into a like I think she cut the bottom part and she just made it into like a romp, like a nightgown type of thing, like not a romper but like just a gown. So that's an idea too. That's a thought. Cause then it'll technically just flare out and have the front part and the back part. All right, so as far as which item I like the most, I guess I would say I like the romper nightgown thing the most, but I like this. More of this, less of the cardigans. So we on to something here. We going on a good path. I like this. Keep this up, less of the cardigans, and we gonna be good. So yeah, I like that. As far as the polish and stuff like that, I foresee myself using the pink and the white. I have pink on my nails, white on my toes right now. But as far as the other colors, I probably really won't get too much use out of. I don't like the silver and the gold. That's just me. I don't wear those colors. Like talking about it, like I personally don't like these colors for me, but they're cute, but it's not something that I personally would wear these to. I might see if my mom or somebody wants it, because I just don't necessarily like it too much. But I like the concept of it, the golden for the goldens, the silvers for the silvers. Like it's actual terminology that we actually do use. So I find that to be very appropriate. I've tried to not look at the July box, so I will be back with what's in the July box fairly soon, because it is, you know, July at this point. My bad, guys. But thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I would really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.